In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to open up a new private window on the Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top, and then select where it says New Private Window. Alternatively, you can select the up arrow key, command key, and N key combination on your keyboard in order to achieve the same result. And basically this will keep your browsing history private from all tabs in this window. After you close this window, Safari will not remember the pages you visited, your search history, or your autofill information. And that's pretty much it. And it's also indicated up here at the top by saying private. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.